internal training for BridgeCable. How do we do job cleanup? So the lead technicians are going to be doing paperwork at the end of the day. It takes about 15-20 minutes. Clean up after yourselves. This is how we do footage on the boxes. Footage is going to be on this side and the pull locations on this side. When you're done, you do cutbacks. Just scratch off everything and make sure the markage is good. Any box under 70 feet is trash. Take the boxes and just put scrap in them. Now, any small amounts of trash, throw them in the trash bag. There's always something to do with a job cleanup. I'm here actually doing a pickup, so I should have done it before and after, because everything was a mess. The job box was a mess, So when everybody's winding down, clean up your job site, because it's also a flag for thieves. Oh, there's just piled junk in there. They won't notice anything missing. If you have a nice, clean, organized site, you will be there. Typically, we'll have the ladders laying down like that. We're just in the middle of production. You want to lock up everything. So this is for everybody. Senior, regular network technicians. The job site, make it clean. It's also a symbol of how professional we are at just cleaning up. Trash, removal on site, flattened boxes, scraps, incidentals, stuff that's going back to the shop. We don't want to just pile a bunch of garbage together. There's tons of boxes laying around. So when you're just throwing stuff back into the job box shop, take time and make sure you're ready like a warrior for the next project. Job cleanup is imperative. Site notes, you're gonna put them in the job box. Stuff that's valuable, job box. String, they can have it, but you're always typically on secure job sites. I just can't stress enough, we have to work on new hires. There's always something to do, always something to clean up with. So at the end of shift, clean up.